आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is the given question here. Let theta lies in limit 0 to 4 pi. Satisfy the equation. Equation is sin theta plus 2, sin theta plus 3 and sin theta plus 4 equals to 6. Then we have to find the sum of values of theta is of the form k pi. Then the value of k is option A is 6, option B is 5, option C is 4 and option D is 2. So first of all we will write this equation, then we will try to solve it. Okay, so this is the given equation which is given to us in the question. So if we look closely to this equation, here all the terms are in sine. Okay, so we know that sine lies in -1. Okay, sine theta, and it lies in this limit. Limit of sine is minimum value is -1 and maximum value is 1. So if I'll put any value in this limit, for example, if I'll put any value in limit, let's consider 0 to 1. If I'll put any value here, so it will be here it will be, if I'll put minimum value, so it will be 0 plus 2, okay, 0 plus 3 and 0 plus 4. So it is 2, 3 and 4, 4 3 are 12 and 12 2 are 24. So we can clearly see here, if I'll put minimum value, then also if I'll put 0, then also I am getting 24, and it is given to us that it is equals to 6 in RHS. RHS is given to us which is equals to 6. So this is just rough part, I was just checking. So basically what I concluded from here, my sin theta value should be less than 0. My sin theta value should be less than 0. If I put 0, I am getting 24. Then if I'll put -1, consider if I'll put -1, okay, so what I'll get, -1 plus 2, okay, -1 plus 3 and -1 plus 4, it is equals to 1, it will be equals to 2 and it will be equals to 3, so it is 6. Okay, I'm getting 6 which is equals to RHS. Only if I'm putting sin theta is equals to what, I'm putting sin theta equals to -1. Okay, if I'm putting sin theta equal to -1, then only I'm getting RHS equals to 6. Let me write that point which I told you. So what I said, LHS is equals to or greater than 6 and RHS equals to 6. And if I want that this equation should hold equality, then my sin theta should be equals to or must be equal to -1. Okay, so I concluded that my sin theta should be equals to -1. So what will be the value of theta? Okay, sin theta is equals to 1 at sin 90. Okay, but here I'm having -1. Okay, so I'll just change it. But I'll write here, I'll write 2 pi minus 90. Okay, so what I got here, 3 pi by 2. So -1 is equals to, if my sin theta is equals to -1, then it is sin theta is equals to -1. Then what I concluded, theta should be 3 pi by 2 and sin repeat after every 2 pi. So if I'll add 3 pi by 2 plus 2 pi, I'll get 7 pi by 2. Okay, now if I'll further add 2 pi to this 7 pi by 2, I will not satisfy this limit. A limit is given to me in the question 0 to 4 pi. Okay, so I have only considered this 0 to 4 pi, and in limit 0 to 4 pi I am getting only two values. Okay, these two values. So it is asked to me in the question that I have to find the, what I have to find, I have to find the sum of all values of theta. Okay, so I have two values of theta and both values are this. So what will be sum? Let S be the sum, and sum will be, it will be 10 pi by 2, or my sum will be equals to 5 pi. So let's look for the options. Okay, answer is option B because it is 5, and I have told that it will be in the form of k pi. So the sum is in form of k pi. Okay, so pi and pi will get cancelled, so therefore k is equals to 5, which is option B. Okay, option B is correct. थैंक यू।
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।